Understanding landing the balloon in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, landing the balloon. This might sound a bit quirky at first, but it's a great example of how English uses imagery to convey specific ideas or actions. So, if you're ready to add another interesting expression to your English vocabulary, stay tuned. Firstly, let's break down the phrase, landing the balloon. Literally, this involves the process of bringing a hot air balloon back to the ground safely. It's a controlled and careful maneuver, requiring skill and attention to ensure everything goes smoothly. The balloon's descent must be managed to avoid any accidents or damage. However, when used figuratively, landing the balloon can mean bringing a situation or discussion back to reality or concluding a complex task in a smooth and controlled manner. It's about gently guiding something that's up in the air, figuratively speaking, to a safe and stable conclusion. For example, if someone is getting carried away with unrealistic ideas in a meeting, a colleague might try to land the balloon by suggesting practical steps to implement those ideas or by redirecting the conversation to more achievable goals. Incorporating landing the balloon into your everyday English can add a colorful layer to your conversations. Here are a few tips on using it. Context is key. Make sure the situation involves concluding or resolving something that has been lofty or speculative. Tone. This phrase is generally used in informal settings. It's more suited to casual conversations or discussions rather than formal documents or presentations. Examples: try using it when discussing the end of a brainstorming session, concluding a complex project, or when someone needs to be reminded of practical limitations in their plans. And that's a wrap on landing the balloon. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this unique English phrase and inspired you to use it in your conversations. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the richness of its expressions. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.